Hello everyone, I am Anuja and I welcome you all to Mankavit Law Academy. So in this video, I will discuss whether this term, that is void contract, is technically a correct term or not. आप बहुत जगह देखोगे in books, in guides, in question papers that this term void contract is used. But the point is that whether this term void contract is technically a correct term or not. So this term void contract is not a correct term technically, and I would like to say that you all should refrain from using this word. अगर आप जुडिशरी का एग्जाम दे रहे हो, अगर आप मेंस का पेपर लिख रहे हो, or any other exam where there is subjective answer, you should not use the term void contract because this term is technically incorrect. Now why this term is incorrect is because if you see the meaning of void, which is provided under section 2G of the Indian Contract Act, it says that an agreement not enforceable by law is void. And if you see the term, the definition of contract, which is provided under section 2H of the Indian Contract Act, it says an agreement enforceable by law is a contract. तो void का मतलब होता है nullity, zero. void का मतलब ही यही होता है. void का मतलब होता है not enforceable. So something which is not enforceable is void. But contract का मतलब होता है enforceable. So something which is not enforceable and something which is enforceable cannot exist together. These two terms cannot be used together because not enforceable and enforceable cannot coexist. So this is technically a incorrect term. There is nothing such as void contract. So यहाँ पे void contract की जगह what is the appropriate term? It is void agreement. So this is the correct term. हमेशा when you will use it will be void agreement and it will never be void contract. Okay. For example, if there are two persons A and B, and if they agree to kill C, then this will be a void agreement. This will be a void agreement. This will not be enforced by law. ये कभी भी contract का form नहीं ले सकता है because यहाँ पे जो object है, the object is unlawful. The object is to kill C. So this is unlawful. So it will be a void agreement, right? And this term void contract is technically an incorrect term, so you don't use this term. But if you will see section 2J of the Indian Contract Act, it talks about contract that becomes void. Contract becomes void. So ये जो contract becomes void है, this is correct, but void contract is not करेक्ट. इसका मतलब क्या होता है? फॉर एग्जाम्पल ए और बी ने अगर कॉन्ट्रैक्ट किया है दैट ए विल गिव बी द हॉर्स एंड बी विल गिव ए 10,000 rupees for the horse, and this contract is made on 23rd October, but on 25th October this horse died. Now because the subject matter of the contract has died, that is the horse, so here the contract will become void. Okay, so this is the meaning of contract becomes void. जहाँ पे because of some subsequent issues the contract becomes void, it is contract becomes void. But void contract term can never be used. So this is technically an incorrect term. Don't use this term in your answer writing. So this is all what I wanted to tell you all through this video. Okay, but this is very basic. बहुत लोगों को ये पता नहीं होता है. So I thought of making a video on this. If you have any other doubts, you can ask me under the comment section. Also, those who have not subscribed to the channel, please subscribe and press the bell icon. Thank you for watching.